First, go to whoisdatacenter.com and log in. After that, click on the Support section. There, you'll see an option called Data Removal Request. That's what we need to use. After clicking on Data Removal Request, the Data Removal Form page will open. On this page, you'll see 5 different options to choose from. Domain, to remove your domain info. Email, to delete your email address. Phone, to remove your phone number. Company, to remove your company name. DNS, to delete domain name server info. Let's take an example. We've picked a random domain name, flipkart.com. After searching flipkart.com, an information form appears below. The first option is name. You need to enter your name there. Below that, there's an email field where you need to enter your email address, followed by the phone number field. After filling all the details, click on the Submit button. Just below that, you'll find the data removal policy. You can read and follow it for more details. According to the data removal guidelines, you'll receive a verification email on your provided email ID. Once you verify it, your data will be removed within 24 hours. You need to follow the same process for removing an email as well. To remove a phone number, follow the same steps as we did earlier. For company removal, let's take an example. We've chosen a random company name, Misho. After searching for Misho, an information form appears below. It includes fields for your name, email, and phone number. Just fill them out and click the Submit button. According to the data removal guidelines, you'll receive a verification email on your provided email ID. Once you verify it, your company name will be removed within 24 hours. For DNS, domain name server, removal, the process is the same, just follow the same steps as before. I hope you found the video informative and helpful. If you have any feedback or need any help regarding Whois, please feel free to leave a comment below the video. Thank you.